Hello and welcome. This is me, Ali Raza from ARSWEBS.com. We are a Google party company, and I'm here with another Google Ads advertiser verification video. This video is particularly business operations verification. Usually, people receive two kind of advertiser errors: advertiser verification and business operation verification. For those who don't know, we have a dedicated service. In case if you want our services, what you have to do is to visit our website, and then I'm going to show you that once you visit, it's in our website, and if you go into pricing, there is an advertiser identity and business verification service which you can avail from over here or on our Google Ads management services. This is also being mentioned, so you can opt for either of the page to get our advertiser verification services, where we offer advertiser verification and business operation verification. So this video is going to be regarding business operations verification error which we got on this account. I'm going to show you and the detail on how we sorted on this account. So let's get started on this one. So if you land over on the page, you see around over, this is the advertiser error which we got to restart your advertiser verification. You can see around over here to complete advertiser verification error was over here. You can get started from over here or from this over here as well. So once we select the start here, you may see around over here that you can see that the basic complete task advertiser verification has been done, and you can see over here as well, this is all done, this was all answered. But the second is it's a business operations verification, and we just gonna start task, and gonna take few minutes, and it's automatically going to be sorted. So you can see down over here, they wanted to verify our business operations. This usually need to be done within 30 days of the first notification. However, it took us a while to do it. And this is for one of our company's account. So you can see around over here, the customer ID is always already mentioned over here, which is the top already written over here, and you can just copy paste over here. And after this, you have to write the website, and we have written our company website over here because this is the company's account over here. After this, what we're gonna do is this website still to use with this ads account? Yes, we still use this website. And while doing it, I had a trouble to decide on the question point number 4, which of the following best reflect your use of ads. I run ads for the organization that I work for, direct employees. I run ads for another organization. I run ads for individual. I run ads for my own registered business. So we have written our own business name over here, which is because our company is based in UAE, and this is the details over here, and we added our United Arab Emirates as our target location over here. After this, we had to provide them as a document as well, and I'm gonna upload the document for our company's lessons. You can see around over here, this is our commercial lessons details. So we have uploaded over here because our lessons is updated till 2027. After this, is there another business that manages campaign or campaign creation? No. And then we're gonna write about myself. I'm going to write about myself over here. Our company name is Arts Web Solutions CO LLC. You can see around over here, this is our company name. Company address, I'm going to open the website to see around over here, and I'm going to show you as well from our website the company address. So it's written in our footer, so I'm going to go to the footer, and I'm going to copy our address as well over here, and I'm going to write over here, and it's going to be Dubai. And by default, the zip code, postal code in Dubai is 11111 as well. And I'm gonna write the email address that is used to sign in. So just have to figure it out, my email address, because I use multiple email addresses. So I'm gonna see over here. Then I'm going to post it over here. Sorry, I can't show you because these are some confidential information. After this, please describe the company's type of business. So we basically help clients like you to manage Google Ads, Meta Ads, SEO. So we are a full-fledged digital marketing company, So I'm going to write it over here, which helps to run Google Ads. And you may see around over here, basically I created the video first, and then I'm going to recreate it for your audience, which helps people to run Google Ads and other digital marketing ads. So yeah, digital services. Please describe your company business model. So we run ads for ourselves and for our clients on Google Ads, Meta, TikTok, and other places. So, where are your customers? Who are your customers or target audience? So, our target audience is businesses who want to run ads. So, yeah, primarily they are our target audiences, and we just written business target audience business looking to advertise online. Please describe how your company interacts with your target audience. We provide WhatsApp, email, and email support. So these are some options given. Consider your answer. Please select the business type that reflects the company. First party, online sales portal, brand reseller, marketing advertising agency. So we are a primary marketing and advertising agency. I had to rethought on this as well, that are we one or not, but because they gave you an option, direct affiliate, member, or marketing agency as well, with negotiated contracts. So I felt that the marketing agency with negotiated contracts could be I think a perfect place for our brand, our company. This is one of the thought I had regarding this. But I was still confused on what to opt for. So I thought first party online sales portal could be as well, but then I going to opt back to marketing and advertising agency because that is the right option for our company, not this one. Because we are primarily over here to help clients. So I was just thinking on this, but no, I didn't opt it for this, but rather I opted for marketing and advertising agency. And then I'm gonna upload our file over here. This is our Google partner link. So I'm going to upload this as well, so you can see yourself. This is a screenshot I'm going to take. I'm going to add it over here. Are any other relationships required to provide the goods and services advertising using Google Ads to show on the website, such as parents or company or provider? No. Does the company provide paid marketing, paid advertising, or paid lead generation services? So yeah, we help that as well. So we're gonna upload our lessons over here as well. Describe how the target audience receive the goods or promoted services promoted in your ads business. Basically, the service or the management is not a tangible asset; it's a non-tangible asset. So, which is why it's a management thing. So, we provide them that it's not a tangible asset, and it's a management and consultation services, which is a non-tangible asset. As I have written over here as well. Who creates ad content for this account? We create our ads content. Who creates the content of your website? We create our own website content. Who would a customer responsible for known fulfillment of goods or services? My company. Do any other party sign it? No, no one else, because it's primarily being managed by us or my team. Are there any other relationships required to provide the branding services using ads or shown on the website? No. Who pays for the account? We pay for the account. So yeah, we are the company, so we pay for it. Is the company required to have any of the following types of license or certifications to provide the products or services that you advertise? So basically 6 options: government license, professional license, vendor, company isn't required, no additional license is required, other things as well. So no, for our I thought that professional license could be thing, but no, there is nothing is required. How does a company protect its current and potential customers' personal information? So basically, we have all terms of service and everything mentioned on our website, and also we have a dedicated privacy policy as well for that. And I thought to add over here as well the privacy policy, and I have to give the link as well. So You can see around over here, this is our privacy policy. I'm going to copy over here. I'm going to write it over here as well. Our privacy policy over here. And then do you have any other comments or information that may be important to help you approve the account? So I'm going to write, we are looking to advertise our services. Yeah, submit over here. And after this submission, it was your email has been sent to the Google. Thank you for contacting us. And after this, I'm going to show you. So after this, our account went into the advertiser verification, and then we got it 2 days back. This is our advertising approval. Thanks for completing all required tasks. Your Google Ads account is verified. Your ads will now have an ad disclosure which includes your name and location. So I'm going to show you over here as well. This was an account, and I wanted to run ads before showing to you as well that everything is fine. You may see around over here we got some impressions. Here's the cost as well, and it was running yesterday as well. So you can see around over here some impressions as well, and you can see around over here no notification, nothing is over here. The ads were distributed for logos, but thanks for verifying over here. The advertiser, the verified advertiser name and locations for each of these accounts will appear in your ad disclosure. So yeah, ads are now running, and this is a perfect another example of Google Ads advertiser verification. This is specifically for business operations verification, and if anyone needs a professional help regarding this, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We will love to help you in sorting around your advertiser verification services and other Google Ads services. Just to let you know that we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company and going to help clients with all of these services. So I hope you like this video, and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.